My name is Cassidy with Freedom Home Services, and today I am going to be walking you through your personalized inspection portal. We are super proud of this platform and really hope you guys will take 5 minutes to watch this short and fun video walking you through how to access and use your portal. First, you should receive an email that looks something like this. You will want to click on the link right here and ta-da, there she is. Everything you need to schedule an inspection with just the click of a button. So you can see over here on the left, there are 6 main tabs. These are here to make your life easier. Everything is all in one place. First, you'll see your dashboard. This is your homepage where you can call or text our office or your inspector directly. Second, you will see your past inspections. Now, this agent has only completed 1 inspection with us in the past year. That is a little sad, but I'm sure yours will look much better than this. Say you've ordered 20 inspections this year. They will all show up right here. Just click and it will bring us to a drop-down menu where we will be able to access the inspection report, view the repair request list, and any attachments such as radon reports, pest results, and anything else. But we will get into that, some of those details a little bit later on. Beneath that, you can actually order an inspection right here, right now. No need to call our office. You can if you'd like, but we have created this order form that is sent directly to our scheduler. So basically, you just input the property address, verify, next. You will most likely be the buyer's agent. Just put in your name, client's information, seller's information, and then you basically just continue on, follow the prompts. It will ask you a couple questions about the property and when you want to schedule. And if you have any questions, you can always call our office. So we'll go back to our portal and see what other fun things we can do here. We know how to order an inspection. You can click on Update My Info, actually update all of your personal information. Great marketing tool, free, so that's always good. You can also update your agency information below. You can also view your repair request list. From here, there will be a really nice organized list of all your different inspections, most recent at the top for easy access. You can choose which inspection you want to view. The entire report pops up right here in chunks. This makes the report even easier to read than before. You're able to click on each category. Let's say we want to look at roof structure and attic. We can see the category, the item, the option to repair, replace, fund, or other, and most importantly, comments from the inspector right here. It looks like this one had some water damage. So this can be really helpful for you and your clients to see. And my favorite part of this is actually this search bar right here. You are able to use this and look up anything that you're curious about. Say that I am curious about electrical. Hit search, and there we go. It pulls up everything and anything that has to do with electrical components in the house that is included in the inspection report. All right, and lastly, from your portal, you can always access and download one of our sample reports. This is always good if your clients aren't sure what inspector they want to go with. Just click View Sample Report, downloads as a PDF, extremely fast and easy, and you're able to just scroll through and see how user-friendly and easy to read our inspection reports are. And that is your portal. Every single agent has one of these. If you don't have your link yet, please email us at admin@freedomhomesservicesllc.com, or you can contact our office at 803-693-5927. Hope this helps and have a great day.